Hello.
If you are logged into Netflix, then click the Manage Profiles button. Now you can see that the profile thumbnails have changed. There is now a pencil visible. Click on the profile you want to change the language. Now look under Preferences for languages. On the right, click on the arrow. Now choose the language you want to set. Scroll all the way down and left-click the Save button. You have changed your language, but wait, I have another tip for you. Would you like to watch more movies and series? Then this tip is for you. If you set the language at one profile to English, then for many countries you will have more content. The disadvantage may be that you will not have subtitles in your own language. The second profile, you can set the language of your preference. You've changed the language of your Netflix profile. Congratulations. Please like this video, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you. See you next time.